Hi students, welcome to final year Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Now you are entering in the application area of Mechanical Engineering. So students, I'm going to cover your course name, that is Design of Machine Element. As you know, Design of Machine Element occupies a prominent position in the curriculum of Mechanical Engineering. It mainly consists of application of scientific principle, technical information, imaginations of development of new machines and components. So let us start our first topic, that is introduction to the machine design. Let us discuss the philosophy of machine design. What is machine design? Machine design is defined as the use of scientific principles, technical informations, and imagination of mechanical systems. As a successful designer, he should have a knowledge of basic sciences, knowledge of applied mechanics, strength of material, theory of machine, thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, and mechanical engineering material. There are a number of standard products available in the market, such as gears, belts, bearings, chains, gaskets, shafts, etc. So designer should have to use standard products which are available in the market for standardization. Designer should be able to select these standard products from various standard data books like PHG Design Data Book, CMTI Handbook, which are available in our institute's library, and another book that is known as Westerman Table. Westerman Table is a handy tool, and I recommend all of you to purchase this book and keep always with you. It's a Bible of mechanical engineering. Its cost is not more than 40 to 50 rupees. Let us see the different phases of design. Designing of any component or machine, there is no fixed rule. The problem can be attempted by several ways. As mentioned in the slide, there are different phases of design in general. The first step is to define the problem statement. Problem statement gives the purpose for which machine or component is to be designed. We'll take one example. I have to design a machine for polishing the skirting. Everybody is knowing it is very difficult to polish the skirtings of our room manually. For this purpose, the skirting polish machine is to be designed for construction industry, for civil industry. The main aim of this machine is to polish the skirting of the wall of a room. For this designing of new product, the designer must collect the information about the requirement from customer, according to the requirement, he should fix the overall dimension of the machine as well as different parameters like electric supply, the types of grinding stone required for the customer, etc. Before actually designing, designer should make a survey whether this machine is feasible for certain application as far as technical and economical point of view. Once he get the positive response from the end user and the feasibility report, then he should select the proper mechanism for the machine. Mechanism should be simple but rigid and efficient. After that, the actual analytical calculations required for the machine. Designer must think over it which components are weak in the machine. He should design these weak components only. Analytical design should not be applicable for standard products like gear, bearings, belts, etc. Therefore, the selection of the standard products as per the requirement, as per the strength, designer must select from proper handbook. After completion of analytical treatment and selection of standard product, now designer knew the dimensions of each component. So he has to draw a layout drawing or general assembly drawing. From general assembly drawing, he will extract the different components of the machine by drawing production drawing. Production drawing indicates material, raw material size, machining symbols, linear and geometrical tolerances. Production drawing is then given to the production department for production of the component. First few assemblies of the newly developed machine, which we are calling it as prototype model. The main purpose of prototype models are for testing. A rigorous testing is carried out on these prototype models. During testing, if any fault occurs, it is communicated to design department for rectification. By this way, prototype testing and feedback mechanism works. At last, the final product is produced after rectification, and then the product is launched in the market. After launching in the market, we must take a feedback from customer for further development or modification in the product. It shows the block diagram of different phases of design. In design and development of product, it is essential to develop feedback loop at each stage. So by this way, designer develops a new product.